Finish the stories by filling in the blanks with the numbers that make sense. So number 1, there are more stingrays than sharks at aquarium. So there are 12 sharks and there are blank stingrays. So they use 12, and then there are more stingrays, and 15 will be greater than 12, so 15 stingrays. There are 3 more stingrays than sharks at aquarium. So if we subtract 15 and 12, it will be 3. So there are 3 more stingrays. Number 2, Andre has 4 gumballs. Then he bought more gumballs. He bought 5 more red gumballs than blue gumballs. He bought blank blue gumballs and blank red gumballs. So they use 4, right? And then he bought 5 more red. And then it will be 14. And then blue will be 5 less. 14 minus 5 will be 9. So there are 9 blue gumballs. 9 blue gumballs and then 14 red gumballs because red has 5 more. Andre now has 27 gumballs. Number 3, Jaylene saw 17 planes at the airport. More planes took off than landed. So they used 17. More planes took off than landed. So it will be 6 for took off, and then 4 for landed. And then on 17 minus 6 will be 11 because took off mean they went, right? And then 4 landed, so plus 4. 4 came back to airport, so 11 plus 4 will be 15. So we write 15. Now there are 15 planes at the airport. Next page, finish the stories by filling in the blanks with the numbers that make sense. We're gonna do the same thing over here. Number 1, Scott has 4 more cats than Ben. Scott has 11 cats, Ben has blank cat. So Scott has 4 more. 11 minus 4 will be 7. So 7 cat. Scott and Ben have 18 cats in all. So 11 plus 7 will be 18. Number 2, Louis has more stamps than Larry. Larry has 8 stamps. Louis has blank stamps. Louis has more stamps. So 13 will be greater than 8. So write 13. And then Louis and Larry and Louis has total of 21. 8 plus 13 will be 21, so 21 stamps. And you can solve 3 and 4 by yourself. Next page, find the sums and difference. Regroup as needed. So number 1, 585 minus 269. You can subtract from 5 to 9 because 9 is greater than 5. So cross out 8, become 7, and give 10. 15 minus 9 will be 6. No, 6. And then 1 minus, you can't subtract 1. Oh no, 7, right? So 7 minus 6 will be 1. And then 5 minus 2 will be 3. So 316. Number 2, 274 plus 234. 4 plus 4, 8. 10 plus 3, 10. And then 1 plus 2 plus 2 will be 5. So 508. Number 3, 108 plus 545. 8 plus 4 will be 12. And then 1 plus 4 will be 5. 1 plus 5 will be 6. So 652. Number 4. 922 minus 108. You can subtract 2 and 8, so 2 became 1 and give 10. 12 minus 8 will be 4. And then 1 minus 0 will be 1. And then 9 minus 1 will be 8. So 814. Number 5. 184 plus 507. 7 plus 4 will be 11. 8 plus 1 will be 9. And 1 plus 5 will be 6. So 691. Number 2. 355 minus 118. 5 minus, you can't do that, so 4, 10, 15 minus 8 will be 7. And then 4 minus 1 will be 3, and 3 minus 1 will be 2, so 237. Next page, cross out the incorrect answer. Which seal has most correct answer? Write the correct answer. So we have to check all of these answers and then find who has most correct answer. So for the first one over here, 64 plus 23, 7, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 2 is 8. So this is correct, no, incorrect. And then number second one is correct, right? And then third one is incorrect. So this actually has to be 503. Number 4 is incorrect. This is subtract. And then the answer is greater than all of the answer. That doesn't make sense. And then number 5, it's correct. And then number 6, it's incorrect. It's actually 331. So the first one has 2 correct answer. And then you can solve other 2 seals to find which seal has most correct answer.